रुको मैं खोल रहा हूँ। हाँ तो रखो बोतल, कहाँ पर रख रही हो? इधर नहीं रखना, अंदर रहना इसमें। Hey guys, how are you doing? So today was Sunday. I completed all the work that I had to do today. जैसे कि washing my shoes, washing motorcycle, taking notes, making notes, or revising the previous notes. I had done all the things today, as you can see in my previous video. So आज की इस वीडियो में इतना ही, and don't forget to watch my videos and like the videos and subscribe my YouTube channel.